In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Salesforce app. So if you're experiencing errors with your app, maybe your app can't open or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can solve this problem for once and for all. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. Now there are quite a number of steps you can take to troubleshoot your Salesforce app. Now to fix these errors, you can go first to the app information page, and there are two ways you can achieve this. First, you can just go to settings here, and then from settings go ahead and look for the option called apps. Now for the sake of this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Under apps, you can see we have this option called manage apps. If you go ahead and tap on it, all the apps that you have on your smartphone will be listed. From the list, scroll down until you see your app. And as you can see, my app is here. So I'll go ahead and tap on it. And as you can see, I'm on the app information page. If getting to this page is quite complex, let me show you a shortcut method that you can use to get here. Now for this, just go back to your app, and then instead of tapping on it, just long press on it. And then you'll see this option called app info. If you tap on it, it will still take you to the same page. Now here we want to clear the app data. So if I go to storage here, you can see we have quite a number of cache data. Now, one of the reasons why your app is malfunctioning is because the accumulation of this cache data. When you talk of cache data, we are talking of small files that are normally stored on your app whenever you use it. These files are normally stored to enhance the user experience. But the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. So we need to go ahead and clear the cache files. And you can do so by just tapping on clear data here. If I tap on it, you can see we have this option called manage space and clear cache. So proceed and tap on clear cache. And okay, and now that has been cleared. From here, go ahead and reset your smartphone and then open your app to see if the problem has been solved. Now, if this didn't solve your problem, then you might want to go ahead and clear the user data. And to do so, just go down here to manage space and tap on it. And then you have this option to clear user data. Go ahead and tap on yes, and then all your user data will be cleared. At this point, go ahead and reset your smartphone and see if this solved your problem. However, if this was not a solution to your problem, then head to the third and the last method, and that is accessing your app through Google Play Store if you're on Android and App Store if you're on iPhone. So if I go ahead and tap on Google Play Store, I'll go ahead and search for Salesforce, and here's my app. I'll tap on it. Now look for any update if it is available, then update your app to the latest version. One of the reasons why your app is malfunctioning is because you have been using an outdated version of Salesforce app, and these might contain bugs or errors that needs to be fixed. By updating your app, you'll also be able to get the latest features that comes with this app and also fix security issues. So that's how you fix errors on your Salesforce app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.